Okay, so now we are looking at the hard level SAT math of statistics using Desmos. How this works, let us see. Dataset of 27 different numbers has a mean of 33 and a median is 33. Usually, this is the one of the scenarios when the numbers are in sequence, whereas their mean value and median values are equal. So mean equal to median only if the given numbers are in sequence. That's one of the scenario. Example, if I select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in this case, the mean value, that's average value, 9 plus 3, 12, 14, 15 divided by 5, which is 3. Median is also 3. Keeping that rule in mind, I just created an example saying that the middle number is 33 and all the numbers are increments of 1, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The middle number is 3, median is 3. Similarly, I have selected the median is 33 and every number is increased by 1. So it starts from 20, ends with 46. There will be total of 27 numbers, including 20 and 46, 27 numbers, and also middle number 33. And out of these, as per the data, new data set is created by adding a 7 to each number in the original data set that is greater than the median. For every number greater than the median, like 34, 35 onwards up to 46, we should increase by 7 or add 7. And every number less than the median, we have to subtract 7 from that. So 32 minus 7 and so on. We have to subtract to the beginning. So you see that the middle numbers remain same. We increase 7 to the right side numbers. We decrease 7 to the left side numbers. Then which of the following measures doesn't have the same value? Which of them will not change, or they will not have the same value, means they will have a different results. Is it a median? Mean. Definitely you can say median is no, because you understand that median is remains same because we did not modify anything in the middle place. And the mean, sum of the numbers and standard deviation, we need to find out what could be correct. Okay, so the B is a modified set, A is the given set. Okay, now let us observe the continuation of that. Because of their given these 20, 21 up to 46, and definitely we already know that median is already eliminated. But when you calculate the sum of the numbers, see, we are balancing by adding a plus 7 and subtracting 7. So if we do add these three numbers, that will be 99. Even if you add these three numbers, that is also going to be 99. That means even though we increase 7, decrease 7, we did simultaneously on the both the sides, the end result, that means the sum value, sum of set A, if you say that is equal to some x value, even sum for set B will also be same result. And each one has totally 27 numbers. So because of their sum values are equal, so mean will be same in both. Mean is same as well as the sum of the numbers will be same. So this is very clear evidence to see that mean and sum of the numbers are same, because mean is the sum of numbers divided by number of values in the data, which is 27. If the sum of numbers are equal, automatically mean is also same. So only answer choice which is different is the standard deviation. Let us check it how the standard deviation is same. We eliminated three answers and we left with the standard deviation, which should be the right answer. We also mentioned that the sum of A and B will be same as X. How standard deviation is different? Let us see this with an example. Now I'm switching to the Desmos. Here I selected numbers from 20, 21 all the way to 46. It shows clearly there are 27 numbers in the list. You see that the A value 20, 21, 22 these are listed all the way to 46. When I listed all the way to 46, just observe A. only A, you just observe it for now. For A, I did the same thing in the box plot. When I did the box plot for A, you observe the first one. In the box plot for A, just I will deselect the other numbers so that we'll focus on only A. Okay, when I select the box plot for A, when you see in the box plot, so we can recheck the numbers, and now we see the position of the numbers on the box plot. So in this box plot A, we could see that the data points A, if you notice, so every point is showing the position. It's at 20, 21, 22, 23. Like you can see the middle point will be 33. Okay, that's the 33 is our median. And you can also see the results. I just calculated standard deviation for A, and the median for A is this, and mean for A is that. So we know that median, mean, everything is same. Now I modified B by decreasing A minus 7 and up to 33. 33 remains same. Before that I decreased 7. After 33 I increased 7. So that is a new box plot we got. You can see that the new one is, so you can notice that this is increased because from here it is 7 units, it moved to the right side, and also 7 units to the left side. So the box plot is spread more space. And if we see the numbers in a box plot, so even this is the same, like orange color numbers, even the median is same as 23. If you see, the median is 23, the green color median is also 23, but the numbers are spread more, so the range is increased. Even the standard deviation also will increase. For the standard deviation for A is, you could see it, and B is almost double, it's a more. But the maximum minus minimum is the range. Range is also increased for B. And even though mean and median are equal, so range is more for B, standard deviation is more for B. Finally, we can see that the answer is only changing is the standard deviation. So I hope it is clear.